Hi, this is Pankuri and like always, you're watching me on Movie Talkies. Fans of horror surely must be very excited this weekend as the third edition of the popular 1920 franchise, 1920 London with stars Sharman Joshi and Meera Chopra releases today. But whether it's worth spending money on or not, I will let you know now. Meera Chopra's character Shivangi is leading a happy married life with her husband Veer Singh in London. दोनों राजस्थान की रॉयल फैमिलीज को बिलोंग करते हैं और लंदन के एक बड़े से पैलेस में रहते हैं। Everything is going good, लेकिन एक दिन वीर के होम टाउन से एक नेकलेस आता है and post that strange things start happening. वीर की कंडीशन दिन ब दिन बिगड़ती जाती है and when doctors give up on him, Shivangi goes to a तांत्रिक बाबा as expected, who then tells her that उसके पति को एक बहुत ताकतवर बुरी आत्मा ने अपने कब्जे में कर लिया है. The tantric then tells her that only one person can help her and her husband, and he is an exorcist called Jay, who also happens to be Shivangi's ex-boyfriend. Jay is a little reluctant to help her, but finally he agrees for old time's sake and of course money. क्या जय वीर के शरीर से उस आत्मा को निकाल पाएगा? और आखिर क्यों वो आत्मा वीर के पीछे पड़ी है? Well, to know that, you'll have to watch 1920 London. The film has some chills and thrills, but overall it's very low on fear factor. Even the methods used to ward off evil are very cliched. The same old tantric babas, Rudraksh Mala, Ganga Jal, and some weird mantras. आत्मा कब, कहां और कैसे आएगी, audiences can anticipate that, and thus there is no shock value. In fact, some scenes are so weird that डरने के बजाय लोग हंसते हैं. The makers really needed to give some explanation for a few scenes. For instance, एक सीन में बुरी आत्मा शर्मन और मीरा पे एक कब्रिस्तान में अटैक करती है and while fighting with the evil spirit, Sharman gets unconscious and in the next scene we see him waking up in Meera's house. मीरा उस बुरी आत्मा से कैसे बच जाती है और कैसे वो शर्मन को अपने घर तक लेकर आती है? Well, it all remains a mystery. फिल्म की दूसरी बहुत बड़ी कमजोरी ये है कि भूत और इंसानों के बीच में ज्यादा इंटरेक्शन नहीं दिखाया गया है और लव स्टोरी पे ज्यादा फोकस किया गया है. But on the brighter side, फिल्म में अच्छे ट्विस्ट हैं and the screenplay does not slack. And for the lovers of the franchise, the patent raw flesh eating scene is also there, and there is also that spider walk which you might remember seeing in The Exorcist. Now let's talk about acting. Sharman as the exorcist is good in his role, but कुछ scenes में वो काफी unconvincing भी लगे. Sharman is a terrific actor and we would really want to see him doing better roles in future. Meera Chopra is average as Shivangi, and Vishal Karwal, who's played Veer, does not have much to do in the film other than flaunting his dimples. Sushmita Mukherjee is totally wasted in the movie. Director Tinu Desai could have made this film a lot better had he worked a little more on the story with Vikram Bhatt. So here's my verdict. This film is strictly for lovers of the genre. Others who don't like horror can give it a miss. I give this film a rating of 2.5 stars. So that's all we have for you this weekend. I'll catch you next time with a fresh new review. Till then, stay tuned to Movie Talkies and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.